how to enable Smart 5G or enable the 5G standalone, and this is available when you have a functioning SIM card in your Nothing Phone 2, and let's get started. To find these settings, use the quick panel access here, and you'll go into the main settings of your Nothing Phone 2. Then you want to go to where it says network and internet. And from here, you'll go to where it says the SIM settings right there, okay? Now, in my case, I actually don't have a functioning SIM card. It's just there. It's an old one that needs to have some more data added to it. But I can still show you where to go to get these settings from here. So with the Use SIM available, make sure this is turned on here. You'll go down to where it says Smart 5G, which basically use 4G to extend battery life when 5G is not available or not stable, okay? So this is going to work for areas that don't have 5G. Your phone is going to switch over to the 4G, and then this is the vice versa of it. So 5G standalone, if 5G network coverage is not good, turning on this feature may affect the stability of the network. So this is going to work only for 5G network when it's available, okay? So it's kind of good to have both of them on so that they can switch back to back here. And this here is going to be available if your SIM is actually working, like you have actual data in it. So again, this is an old SIM card that doesn't have any data in it. I'll need to like buy some more data for it to work, but I can still access some of these settings just to show you where to go to view these here for you, okay? And you also got the carrier video calling if you're interested in that. And that is that. Like and sub.